Good morning, children. In this video lecture, we will be talking about one very important topic of the chapter Political Party, and that is the classification of political party into national and state party. This is one very important question, that to remember the criteria which has been decided by Election Commission to declare any party as a national party and a state party. So whenever we are talking about a federal country का क्या मतलब होता है बच्चों कि when the government is divided into central, state and like in the case of India, local self-government. So obviously the power also divided into union, state and local self-government. And nation parties, according to their power, their strength, their number of the members, they are also divided into national party and the state party. So today we will talk about what are the criteria which has been laid down by Election Commission to declare any party as a state party or a national party. But before going into that that topic, it is very important to understand one another discussion or points which is again very fruitful when we are talking about the political parties. That is the concept of recognized party. When we are talking about political parties, most of the time some parties are said that these parties are recognized parties. So why some parties are associated, are said or called as the recognized party and another parties are not? The recognized party or any political party, after its conception, it has to be get registered by the Election Commission of India. Once the party gets registered with the Election Commission of India, that party becomes a political party legally or officially, and it gets the authorization from the Election Commission. After that, if a party becomes a large party or an established party, that party gets special privileges from the Election Commission. And one special symbol for that political party has also been given to that political party by the Election Commission. So, established party and large party get special facilities and special symbols from the Election Commission. And when they get special facilities and special symbols, ultimately they started to be called as a recognized party. So, if the question comes that define recognized party, you will simply say that any party who is registered with the Election Commission of India, it is large and established and it is get special facilities and special symbol from the Election Commission of India, that party is called a recognized party. Now come to the criteria which is laid down by the Election Commission for any party to become a national party or a state party. National party, for any party to become a national party, first of all, it has to be several units in the several states of the country. So any party, if they have units in more than one state or all the states of the country, then that party is called a national party. Similarly, the party which is only have the unit in one state, that is known as state party. But along with the units, one more criteria which is laid down by the Election Commission is that if a party has secured at least 6% of votes in the Lok Sabha election, or it is also called the Assembly elections, this will be considered as a national party, and 6% votes in the 4 states. Again I am repeating, if any party which has units in multiple states and it has secured at least 6% of votes in 4 states, that will be called as a national party, as well as if this party has secured 4 seats in the Lok Sabha. Means it has secured majority of votes in 4 constituencies, and that is why 4 seats in the parliament has been given to this particular party. 6%, at least 6% of votes in 4 states in the Lok Sabha election, and second thing, 4 confirmed seats in the parliament. Then only this party will be considered as a national party. Similarly, when we talk about the state party, when any party secures at least 6% of votes in the state legislative assembly elections, and obviously in one state, and this party has secured 2 confirmed seats in the party will be considered as a state party. Again, let's brush up the concept. National party will be considered as a national party when it secures at least 6% of votes in 4 states and confirms 4 seats in the parliament. Then it will be called a national party. And a state party when a state party which secures at least 6% of vote in the state elections and it secures a confirmed 2 seats in the state legislature, then this party will be called as a state party. So today what we have learned, that the concept of recognized party, a concept of national party and the concept of state polity. On the basis of this concept, till 2006 we had different kinds of political parties confirmed as a national party, which included Indian National Congress, BSP, Bhajpa, CPIM, CPI and many more. But all the principles and ideologies of these political party we will discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for coming.